Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure you won't lose access. Create or confirm a local admin account so you can sign back in after removal. Backup documents and pause OneDrive sync. This protects files that are cloud-linked. Next, sign out of Microsoft apps like Office and Edge to clear active sessions. Now open Settings, go to Accounts, and review the account you plan to remove. These initial steps prevent lockouts and data loss, so take them seriously before continuing. Once you're ready, switch the Microsoft-linked user to a local account. In Settings, right arrow Accounts, right arrow your info, select Sign in with a local account instead. Follow prompts to set a username and password. This preserves the profile and files while removing Microsoft authentication. Make sure to note the password and recovery hints. After the switch, Windows signs you out and back in as the local user. Finally, verify desktop, documents, and app settings loaded correctly under the local profile. With a local admin active, remove the Microsoft account. Open Settings, right arrow Accounts, right arrow Family and other users, select the targeted Microsoft account and choose Remove, then confirm Delete account and data to clear local profile files. This detaches the Microsoft identity from the HP laptop. If Windows refuses removal, sign in with an admin account or boot to safe mode to retry. One key troubleshooting tip: if data deletion is blocked, check for running apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.